Hi everyone, this is Shelly Hanna, and this is my very first painting ever in ArtRage on the desktop, and this is ArtRage 6 that I'm trying out for the first time. And as usual, I just jumped right in and I haven't followed any tutorials or anything, so you're seeing me fumbling around with the program a little bit here. I've sped things up quite a bit. I wanted to try ArtRage 6 because of the custom brushes. The one thing, I love ArtRage on the iPad. I absolutely love it. I love the portability. I love how the paint handles and everything. What I don't love about it is that I have a limitation with my brush size and then how the brush mark begins and ends, and that kind of drives me crazy a little bit. While I haven't followed any tutorials on how to use the desktop program in ArtRage, I did follow a tutorial by, I believe it was Steve Elliott, on how to create a custom oil brush, and I can include a link below to his tutorial. I had to watch it several times because every single time I created a brush, it would not save. I did get it, so if anybody wants me to demonstrate how to do that, I would be happy to create a video on that, so just leave me a comment below. So first impressions of using ArtRage 6 are pretty good. I really wasn't expecting for my painting to turn out at all because I really didn't know what I was doing. One of the reasons why I put off trying the desktop program was because I have an older Wacom tablet and I really love drawing on my iPad, and the feeling between drawing on the iPad and then drawing using a Wacom tablet is very different, and so getting used to that is taking me a little bit of time. I would guess what I'm going to do is get painting started on my iPad because the portability is awesome, and get all of that started, watch some TV, paint a little dog, and then bring that painting into the desktop version to finish it off using a custom brush and being able to use different brush sizes. Now, what I really did like about just starting fresh with the painting here is I only used my giant brushes that I had created, and that made me block in all my colors rather quickly. So that is a plus on that side. I think it's just going to be a matter of me getting used to working on the desktop program and working with the iPad and seeing how I can go back and forth between the two. I am a traditional artist and I paint in oils, and I'm planning on doing videos of my oil paintings as well. I just haven't figured out how to do the video setup on that yet, but I'm getting very close. Who knows, maybe I'll paint this tomato on canvas too. For me, the benefits of painting digitally are: one, the portability when I'm using my iPad; two, the ability to test out colors and composition without sacrificing a canvas; and three, the ability to record the screen pretty clearly. Trying to figure that out with doing an oil painting, it's going to be off to the side. You won't be seeing it from my perspective. When I paint digitally, I can show you from my point of view or my perspective what I'm looking at, so there's no distortion. As I'm getting towards the end of this painting of the tomato, you can really see the texture of the brushes and how well that custom brush tool is working. It's taking me a little getting used to, but for my first painting and trying these brushes out for the first time, and my first time on the desktop version, I feel like I'm getting a pretty good result. I think it was good to choose a simple subject, and if you're a first-time painter, I would always suggest starting simple, because even simple subjects have a lot of complexity. If you look inside this tomato, there are a lot of reflections going on. So starting simple is always a good way to go. Overall, I think the custom brushes in ArtRage 6 are pretty cool. I like the big, bold brush strokes I can make now, and there are endless opportunities for creating your own unique style. I spent about an hour painting this tomato, and I think it turned out pretty good. How do you think this painting turned out? I've created a lot of painting tutorials which can be found on my website, shellyhannafineart.com. I have links for you in the description below. And while you're there, make sure to say hi on social media. I'd love to meet you. And if you'd like this video, please like and hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.